Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once more. What you see right here is my newest collection, my newest baby in town. The emel Em81 direct drive sewing machine server motor. Well, as you can see, I've been planning on getting this for a while now. Stay with me as we unbox this beauty together. Wow, it was really quite the weight and the efforts. Let's see what we have here. Okay, this is the oil plates, and let's see what we have here. Oh my god, my baby. Wow, she's pretty. Well, I've used email before though, but email is my first industrial machine brand, but that was the clutch motor. Very quite efficient and durable, I must say. This is coupling, this is the leg of the machine, the table, and it's being coupled right now. As you can see, I got sometime last year, I think December, I also got the 2 lion direct drive as well, but then it's actually nice though. The 2 lion, as you can see, it's right there. Yeah, that's my 2 lion. My last year baby. She's quite efficient too, but to be honest with you, I prefer email. I love email. Okay, this is the oil disc. As you can see, it's been coupled as well, and this design is really nice. I love the way email decided to design this particular product. It's quite catchy.
This one a rubber.
Okay,
This is an iron.
you can see.
A rubber.
Though my 2 lion sews very well, but what I noticed is that there are some certain fabrics it doesn't stitch very well, so I have to fall back to my first glove, which is email. So I'm going to see how this direct drive is going to be compared to the oh wow, she's heavy. I must say she's heavy. Wow. Oh, there she is. What a beauty. Okay, let's see the front design. Okay, that's the machine oil right now. Okay, this is the oil, as you can see. It's transparent. Oops, it's not up to the gauge. I will have to get another oil, so it's not up to the gauge. Oh, this is just for a test ride though. Wow, what a beauty. She's here. Let's see, I'll be honest with you, hard work, persistence, consistency, it pays off. Yeah, because in the long run, wow, she's pretty. these electrical parts. Trying to compose the wires. Okay. Wow, to be honest, I've been planning on getting this for a while now. I just have to put in the work and make it a reality. Yep, she's up and running. Let's go for a test ride.
Ami. No, this is what. Test ride.
Oh my god, my baby is up and running. Yes, she's doing what she's meant to do. Oh, my children will be jealous right now. She will be jealous right now.
Oh, you never see yourself. This one na Ogaho. This one na Ogaho. So I can't catch anybody out for this machine. I'll cut out.
Wow.
Sweet, it's sweet past that one. They make so enter body.
Pressure food has a whole lot of pressure. I love it.
My try, test now.
So typically it can actually climb in kind of thick fabric. Whoa, thanks for watching. I will also give you guys feedback on it when I start using it properly. Thanks.